What is a crummy trust and why is it good for gifts to your children? What's up, everybody? My name is Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. So what is a crummy trust and why is it good for gifts to your children? Well, a crummy trust was developed after a case with the IRS where the person Crummy had developed this strategy where they would be able to give gifts up to the gift tax exclusion, which in 2024 is $18,000, up to that, and they would grant a present interest in that to the beneficiaries. So they would have a temporary window of 30 days to withdraw the funds from the trust. And then after that 30 days, it would stay into the trust and it would go through and have restrictions that would be set up. So why is this a good thing? And why is it something that if you are looking to do, can be very, very beneficial for gifting to your kids? Well, first of all, it allows you to avoid a gift tax, your lifetime gift tax allotment. So when you put that $18,000 in, you're not going to pay any gift tax on it, and it's not going to count against your lifetime gifting, which is kind of a nice tool. The other thing is that once it goes in, it also gives restrictions to the children, to the beneficiaries. So it makes sure that those children have the ability to have the funds when they can actually manage it and are of age to understand. So no PlayStations or frivolous spending, no Ferraris, none of that until they're of age and until you have taught them the right way to manage the money. So those are two really, really good beneficiaries. It enjoys all kinds of tax benefits. It's a really nice tool. But what's the drawbacks? Well, the drawbacks of a crummy trust is that, first of all, there's a 30-day temporary window where they have the right to withdraw those funds. So there has to be a lot of really clear communication with the beneficiaries of this type of trust to make sure that they understand that they have that right, but they really shouldn't use it. And here's why. And so that can deter people from wanting to use this type of trust or wanting to contribute and gift into this type of trust. But obviously, once that 30-day window is up, the restrictions that you have to make sure that your children are cared for and that the money is managed correctly is in place. And it also takes pretty diligent record keeping to make sure. So you need to make sure that you have all of the money that you've contributed, how that money's been spent, pretty diligent records in regards to that. And that's something that typically most people are not a big fan of. There's a little bit of upkeep in regards to that. But again, it can be very, very beneficial with those benefits. So again, that's what a crummy trust does. And if you're someone who is able to meet those obligations, it can actually be a really good estate planning tool for you and a good way to make sure that your children are cared for when you're gone. So we try to help everybody out. If you have questions, we are happy to try to answer them. Again, my name's Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. Take care.